welcome back. Oops, how is it going? Thank you guys for stopping by. If this is your first time, hola, ¿cómo está? ¿Ça va? Yes, my name is Katia Valino. Before I even dive into the topic of today, I want to take out time to say thank you again to this community. You guys are really amazing me. I woke up the other day, there were some questions on my comment box in one of my videos. Another person from the community has already answered that question for me. I have to applaud you guys, and I will say thank you for continuing to share this video and liking this channel. And also, I want to tell you guys about my Patreon page. I will not take most of your time, but I'm going to use just half a minute to tell you guys. There's something called Patreon page. Place is an avenue to help people like me and other YouTubers to grow. If you want to become a Patreon, this is where like give us a little bit of tip. It could be 50 cents, $1, $100, whatever you can afford. You just have to tip us, like it's like a tip. Just give us a little tip to say thank you guys for all the information that people like me bring out there. So I am going to leave the link at the bottom of this video. If you really want to help or tip or do something or give a little bit, I'm not begging, but I'm just like telling you guys what Patreon page is. And then I would really love that. Okay, but however, we are going to dive into the topic of today. Do you snore? Does your spouse snore? Do you know anybody that snores? Is your sleep disturbed because you cannot sleep? If you know anybody that snores, that doesn't sleep well at night, then this video will be for you. So let us hop over to the place, to the kitchen, where we are going to whoop some juice that will make you diminish or decrease your snoring. So let's figure out, why do people really snore? There are so many reasons why people snore. People could snore because of the sinus problem. They could be going through menopause. They could be obese. They could have the sleeping position can also be one of the reasons why people snore. Eating a lot of dairy products before you go to bed could be another reason why people snore. Smoking could be a reason why people snore. Drinking alcohol before bed could be a reason why people snore. Eating lots of fried and fatty foods few hours or couple of hours before you go to bed could be a reason why people snore. So today we're going to make some juice that will help to clear up some sinus, that will help you sleep better at night. And what do we need in this juice? The first thing we need is carrot. I have already cut up the carrots. So you have to use the carrot and measure according to the quantity or the amount of juice you want to make. Carrot is loaded with beta-carotene. Beta-carotene will help to clear up your sinus and make the mucus, the excess mucus, to be soft, so that when you are sleeping, your sinus does not get congested. Another one is apple. We are going to use apple. Apple and lemon together. Half lemon. Lemon and carrot is all both loaded. This is both loaded with a whole lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C will also help to clear up your sinus. When you are sick, don't forget that, or if you know people who are sick, the first thing they tell them, I mean like people who cough a lot, the first thing they tell them is to go and drink vitamin C. Vitamin. So you don't need the medication, you need the natural vitamin C from the lemon. Apple will also help to clear up your sinus. Remember what the doctor says, 1 apple a day will keep you away from the doctor. The third one is ginger. Ginger will also help to decrease the pressure from your sinus and alleviate pain. So these three here mixed together, we are going to make them into a juice. So this is the juice from the carrot, the apple, a ginger, and lemon. Drink this juice once in the morning and at night, and 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you will notice that your snoring or your spouse snoring has decreased. But please make sure that you go back to the things that I said in the beginning, the things that will also help you decrease snoring. Because if you eat less fatty food, smoke less, drink less alcohol before going to bed, eat less processed food, and drink this juice, you are sure to get the maximum result of taking this juice. I will leave the link of my Patreon page at the bottom of this video, just in case you're willing to be a Patreon on this page. Thank you guys, and thank you for sharing. I love you guys. Bye.